how to search filters on Snapchat. So if you want to search for some filters on Snapchat, then what you can do is simply open up your Snapchat application at first. And here, if you swipe right, then you will have all of these filters, right? So if you want to simply choose any one of these filters, then you can tap on that filter and then you can take a snap. But if you want to search for filters, like if you want to explore more filters, then what you can do is on the bottom right, you will have a search icon, right? Tap on that search and here you will have all of your filters. So you can simply go for the For You page, or you can go for the face filters, or the world, or the music, or creators. You can choose any one of these, or if you don't like any one of these, then you can simply go for the search and then you can search for any filter. So once you've searched, you will have all of that filters with that name. So that's how you search filters on Snapchat. And after searching, you can simply choose any one of that and then you can use that filter. So that's how you search filters on Snapchat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.